Alright, here we go, man. Right here, Birdhouse Records. We about to drop that. About to do a cypher, 2012. Right here. And we about to get it in right now. Riko Red, kill him. D.kellz in this bitch too.
I'm rolling hard, steady popping pills. Pussy nigga play heavy and I'ma get in this grill. Cause I choke the steel and I make it real. Fuck you and your clique, y'all niggas ain't trill. My round big dog, we twist the sack. Take a big sip, then cock the mat. Ready to tattoo his fucking back. And these pills the reason I act like that. I'm the park, that's what I'm posted at. When you catch me drinking up on the yak, y'all smile for a hoes that a bag back. Before I pour it, spit straight off my belt. I'm swerving veins with a car full of hoes. And y'all like the mind, so I guess I'm a room. But if them balls smell my dro, man, dog, fuck them hoes.
Yeah. Who my next artist? Yeah. Who's the next artist? Get him, D.kellz. Get him, D.kellz. Get him, D.kellz. Let we go.
D-Dot my type. Yeah, nigga, no right. If you beef with the D.kellz, nigga, it's homicide. Kelly boy spit hotness. Monster, no likeness. Yeah, nigga, you know I'm picking that paper like deposits. Yeah, nigga, that black flag. Yeah, nigga, that folk gang. Yeah, my niggas tote things. Yeah, my niggas blow brains. Damn, I am sickness. Damn, I just spit this. You already know I'm just coming. You already know I get it. My niggas steady whipping like a slave master. Killing you.
Give me one. Just one person.
You dead bastard. Yeah, and if you chime in, ain't nothing else. 4-4 ghost nigga.
Baby hog, get him.
A young hog in the game, so you know the same. You know these niggas sipping, drink niggas that have the pain. They drink, sipping, girls tipping. What you saying, fold? I got a bad bitch, you know we rolling octomole. We burn slow, nigga. Kush, push, whisper, drain. I got a 3. Oh yeah, that bitch go.
Somebody grab the camera.
Look, fuck it, I'm gonna kick this bitch back up, you heard me? Riko Red. Look,
Hold up.
Got a dime bag looking straight. These MCs and I eliminate. Man, from these niggas, these hoes I taking that food well look, cause I'm smoking great. Nigga, get up out my atmosphere and I mix it in like an engineer. Man, I'm the hustler of the year. They know I'm thugging, this shit is clear. Nigga hotter than a couple photos. And I drop these boys like stockholders. Man, watch the niggas you fuck with, cause they bound to be some cutthroaters. Ain't got the weed, so it ain't no drought. Them niggas gon' see what you about. Louisiana, I'm from the south. I got a bad bitch looking shouting stout. I need cash in a major way. Load the clip into my AK. Don't forget my black tape. If you a dragon, then I'm a slave. Nigga creeping in and not infiltrating. Not blast your ass, leave it dead in your plate. Don't joke when it come to killing. Don't talk shit when a nigga jigging.
Damn, I'm straight strapped up. Leave a nigga straight wrapped up. You already know, like an applause, we'll leave a nigga straight clapped up. Damn, I'm retarded. I'ma get it started. Yeah, my niggas eating like they stuck inside the supermarket. Damn, I'm spitting stupid flow. You already know I'm doing slow. You already know I'm getting dough. And if you talk then that fifth blow. That fifth blow like balloons. Rap a nigga like a coon. Smoke a nigga like some shrooms. You already know what we doing.
Yeah, and there you have it. Birdhouse first cypher. I'ma edit this thing though. Riko Red, Baby Hog, D.kellz. About to get it in.